hapon.
Hapon.
Pod sa pod. Pod pala yun, no? When the three leaders approached a while ago, the closed office of us, I just came from the barrio. They told me that they will be offering a mass, a Thanksgiving mass. I feel insulted if I will not be accepted and not be accepting the intention. Not because I have already 5 masses for the day or 3 masses for the day, but when I heard that you won yesterday the festival of the festival, I'm saying to myself, wow, they were our neighbors for a short time. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. You inspired not just maybe the youth of our municipality, but you inspired those given talents by God to use it in a very meaningful way. That's why just 2 lessons that we can learn from you. The first reading speaks about the source of blessing would be coming from other people, and concretely, that other people would be your group. Isang bagsak sa inyo. You're a blessing to our place. You're a blessing to our community. You're a blessing to this historical Barcelona. Hindi niyo lang alam na masaya kami sa pagtanggap sa inyo. The generosity of those people here are also a blessing given back to you, so that if time will permit us, we will be visiting Cebu. Definitely, we will also be happy seeing you and freely accommodating us. Di ba?
Yes po.
Sigurado kayo?
Yes po.
Thank you very much. Now, this is the story of God giving us such blessing. He would be outpouring many talents, and that talents will always be used for others to be happy. Maybe the Sorsogon contingent, they are happy. And even I came from Bulusan, and thanks be to God, Bulusan contingent was the second town in the province that participated in the national competition for the festival. The experience and exposure per se would always be a learning lesson. And having you in their hearts, having you as the leaders, having you as the challenge would be a great direction for them and for others, other municipalities to track on. So, yan ang parang hindi alam na you would always be a blessing to our place. Then, another thing would be, today we are celebrating also the blessing of God shown and manifested by a certain man in the person of Ignatius of Antioch. When there is a persecution, he was ready to defend that image of Christ in him. He chose to be a martyr rather than to be an apostate. Yung tatalikuran mo, yung sinimulang relihiyon ng buhay mo. So, implication of this would be, you receive gifts from God, regardless of our state, regardless of our own profession, regardless of our own status in life. Let that charism and gifts be always be exercised for the glory of God. And your special devotion to the Santo Niño ay talagang kahanga-hanga, hindi lamang sa ating bansa, kundi sa buong mundo. Our Lady, Santo Niño Corral in Europe is just but a tourist spot. In Cebu, it's not a tourist spot, but rather a religious life of all Cebuanos. So, these were all the manifestations of the blessings of God given to each one of us. And these blessings, all of you participants are part of that. We should just be thankful and like Saint Ignatius of Antioch, ready not to waste the talent, but rather use it in the fullness for the glory of God. So again, maayong hapon sa tanan and congratulations to you.